Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Andrews, aka the All-American Driver. Today we are doing something very, very exciting. I know what you guys are thinking. You guys are saying, Jason, the Alfa Romeo already looks fantastic. The lines, the proportions. This thing honestly looks money, but there's one thing that I cannot stand, and that is the offset. I am not a fan of the positive offset look. Let me show you. All right, so we have this really, really nice sweeping body line, and then this. There is probably, look at that, there's like a whole finger in between this. The front is not as bad, but you can still see it's tucked in there. I recently went out and took some photos of this car that I posted on Instagram. If you're not already following me, go ahead and follow me because I do actually post more stuff on there than I do on YouTube. However, the offset was just killing me. Now, most of the time, most people would just put spacers on the car, but to be honest, I'm not really a fan of that. So I found basically my dream spec wheels for the Alfa Romeo 4C. Let's get this thing into the garage and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about.
My rules, big moves. Heavy on the tweeting. I disappear a whole season like, who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it.
Would you just look at these? Yep, I went with the Titan 7 TS5s. Now, as far as I know, this is one of, if not the lightest setup you can run maintaining this 1918 staggered setup on the Alfa Romeo 4C. Now, I was actually going to wait a little bit to do wheels and tires, but I checked the date code on the tires I have on the car now, and they are the original tires from 2016, so those aren't gonna cut it. So I used this opportunity to fit these Titan 7s with the new Bridgestone Potenza RE71RS. Now, you guys probably know this is arguably one of the best performance tires you can get right now, and I am super pumped to get this on my car. Now, we are gonna be taking things a little bit slow today because this car has a carbon fiber tub, so the jacking points I have to be very meticulous about, all right? We don't wanna send that jack through the tub and basically ruin the car. I actually don't hate these factory wheels. In fact, I think Alfa did a pretty good job designing them. You guys will know a lot of the 4Cs or Alfa Romeos in general, they have the circular type design wheels. This wasn't fitted with that. These are the 10-spoke fan wheels, and I actually don't know how much they weigh. They're probably pretty heavy. Again, it's not really the look, it's the offset. So something a little bit unique about this car, at least for me, is that it doesn't have lug nuts. It has lug bolts. So once I jack this car and I take out these bolts, I don't know if it's just gonna fall or if I'm gonna have to prop up the tire or something, but we're gonna give it a shot. Oh yeah, that's a whole little bolt right there. All right, the last one. Let's see if they fall. Okay. So far, so good. All right, rear's off. All right, so you can see here the width difference and actually the height difference just a little bit. These are a 235, these are a 255. I actually can't tell if they're heavier or lighter. They might actually be lighter. Let me go get a scale. Now with the tire, we are at about 42 pounds. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let's see the Titan 7 here. Looks like we're at about 41 or 42 pounds. Again, I can't tell exact. It looks like it is just a hair lighter than the factory setup, but this is a lot wider. All right, they're on. I can tell you right now, they are a lot wider. The offset is way out there. Way out there. This is gonna look extremely aggressive for sure. Let's do the fronts real quick. Just looking at that back one, guys, I'm telling you, it is very, very aggressive. Did we go too wide? Maybe. Is there such a thing as too wide? All right. All right, so the fronts are definitely about 2 pounds heavier, unfortunately. But is the added grip gonna be worth it? The added offset, probably so. And besides, you know, this car has like a 60-40 weight distribution. So putting just like a little bit more weight in the front is not necessarily like the worst thing. Obviously, it's not ideal, right? That this is a heavier tire, but at least the back ones went down a little bit, about a pound. This one went up about 2 pounds. We're almost even, but we're looking way cooler. We're gonna get so much more grip, and we have widened our track. Wow, okay, so that definitely fixes the offset problem. Look how meaty that one looks. All right, let's take it down. Slowly. Wow. Now, these look crazy. These look insane. Let me get these things torqued down. There is like no clearance in between the torque wrench and the tire. That offset is really concave in there. Razor thin. I need like an extender maybe. Okay, let's do the front ones. All right, so here we go. We got one side done. The fitment in the front is perfectly flush. In the rear, let's see. It's like perfect. It's perfect. Let's just compare it to the other side. Oh wow. See, they like completely disappear in there. Same angle. They're like all the way out. Wow. Wow. Yeah, same with the front. Same with the front here. Yeah, that's insane. This car looks completely different with these wheels on it.
I'ma make you pay for it. Tell him give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you.
I couldn't be happier with how this car came out, really. I mean, I will say with the very aggressive tire, you can hear every single rock or pebble get thrown up onto the bottom of the carbon fiber tub. It's like tick, 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 tick. It's very cool, very race car-esque. But seriously, what do you guys think of the Alfa Romeo 4C with the new Titan 7 TS5s on it? I'm very pumped. I know that these tires are going to perform very well on track. If you guys appreciate the video, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Jason Andrews, I will see you in the next episode.